Welcome back. In this section, we are going to discuss about a scenario based question in which we want to remove single quotes and curly brackets from from a line using Apache Pig. So we have four lines which are starting with a curly bracket, and the second and third column have single quotes. So basically we want to remove the single quotes as well as curly bracket. The expected output has been shown to you on the screen. To achieve the desired result, we are going to use the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. In regular expression, there are few characters have special meanings such as slash, dollar sign, full stop, comma, question mark, star, plus, open bracket, close bracket, square bracket, curly bracket. These special characters are called as meta characters. If we want to use any of this character as a part of your regex, then you need to escape them using single backslash. We are going to perform this live demonstration as soon as we complete this explanation. In our case, Pig uses Java based regex engine. So the special characters need to be escaped with double slash. So the explanation how we are going to achieve this has been given to you. To remove open and ending curly bracket and single quotes character from your input string, replace open and close bracket with double slash. Single quote is a special character in Pig default string literals. So this also requires double slash to remove special meaning. But double backslash doesn't convince Pig parser. So you will get error for double backslash. That is the reason I've used the backslash for single quote to remove the special meaning. Close brackets is a special character class that will match only one of the several characters. Simply place the character inside the square brackets that you want to match. That is, in our case, it is square bracket, curly bracket, and single quote, and close the square bracket. Plus symbol is for matching one or more characters. So now let's move to the practical demonstration of it. So let's get started. So the first step is to open the terminals. So I am going to pursue to the file location where I have created the file. That is home, data engineer, files. So example2.txt is my file. So here you can see curly bracket, open and close with single quotes in accounts and New York. Same for the other lines. So these are the four lines we will be using for our data set. So now let's open a new terminal. So I will go to cd home Apache Pig. So I will be operating in local mode. So I will be using bin/pig/x local. So this is the command. So this command I will be used to perform this example. So the first step is to load the file as a char array. Everything we are consider it as one line char array. So let me perform. So this is the example 2.txt file which I have showed you. So here I will load into char array. Let's describe A. So we have schema of line char array. If I type dump A, it will show me the file contents. So here we can see these are the same file content which we have over here. So now let's perform for each statement. For each A, that is the above statement where we have loaded the file, generate replace. Here we are replacing everything. These are the regex command. This is the regex, that is regular expression. And if I will store the content, let's dump B and store it. Dump B. So here you can see this single quotes has been removed, and this open and curly brackets are also removed. This is the way how Pig shows the display. So we will get to know once we store it. So I am storing into home data engineer file slash output one directory. So let's move to output. So this is the location, and if you see I don't have any output one directory. So it will get created once I perform this action. So here you can see output one directory has been created. I will type cd output one. So here you can see one file has been generated. I will type. Here you can see the desired result has been achieved. The second method we are going to see. Let's perform this action. So what I will do is I will again go to grunt and paste this command. Here we are loading the same example 2 using Pig storage, but instead of char array single line, we are dividing into 3 columns. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. So if I type describe C, it will show me 3 columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Dump C, it will give me the desired input file. This is the input file we have got. So here you can see there are 2 open braces and 2 closed braces. This last one, starting and the last one are the default display format of Apache Pig. So that's why it is looking like that. Now we are again going to use for each statement generate replace column 1. So we are going to remove the open curly bracket, and here we are going to remove the closed curly bracket in the column 3, and for column 2 we will be replacing single quotes, and for column 2 also we are going to replace single quotes. So here you can see the input file, single quotes will be removed and curly braces also will be removed. So now let's I will go one step back. I will clear the screen. I will type here. I will perform this D statement. I will type dump D. So here you can see desired result has been achieved, and we will store it into output directory 2, that is output 2. So output 2 will be generated. So here you can see output 2 has been generated. I will type cd output 2. So here is the desired result which we have achieved. This was the scenario based question for our question. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.